Alright, YouTube, so we out here. Look at these cars frosted over, and yeah, I put a tarp over that thing because the target leaks. But I think it's like 20 something degrees out here this morning. So we're gonna go up here, we're gonna get in the garage, get the heater going, get started, and I'll show you what we're working on when we get up there. Alright, YouTube, got my Laney's about to come off. So anyway, we got it straightened out some. We got the headlights set in it, but we're missing a couple little adjusters. So we're gonna walk out here to this old van, see if we can get some adjusters out of it, see if they'll work. If not, might end up having to buy them, but let me show you what I'm talking about here. So it has an adjuster that's supposed to go here. It's not in it. It's just like that. I'm gonna see if there's one on that van. If there's not, I'm gonna have to buy a couple. So we had to buy the bumper brackets. They were bent and they didn't want to go on the bumper route, so we had to buy them. But yeah, so we're getting there. Just put the light in to make sure it seemed like it was going to line up okay. It seems to be all right. So a little massaging a little bit more with it, and we'll get it on. Bumper brackets are, let's see, radiator came. It's back here, aluminum radiator. So it came. It actually lines up. I set it in there. It lines up. So we might try to get it put in today, just depending. I don't want to have the radiator in there and have to beat a little bit more. So we'll see what happens. We'll try to get the radiator in today. But yeah, so let's go out here and see if we can get this. All right, take a little trip with me, y'all. I got stuff everywhere. Y'all like the 4Runner? Sunroof leaks. I got tarp over it. So let's I gotta get Chris cleaning that thing out so we can get it going, because we're gonna, that's ours now. So anyway, here's the van. We just took the headlight out. I took it out. It had a screw, the adjuster screw here, and adjuster screw here, and then it had plastic tabs. So we're gonna try to make these work in that Toyota truck, and if we can't, then we're gonna have to do it. But what y'all think about this thing? Not 100% sure what we're gonna do with it. I think we're gonna take all the suspension off of it and put a tongue on it and make a little camper out of it. What y'all think? Y'all have to get on Ashley about that. That's gonna be her and Chris's project. So if y'all wanna see that turned into a camper, leave it in the comments down there, and leave it in the comments. Say, hey Ashley, you and Chris get to work on that thing, right? So anyway, let's get in here and see if he's fit and go from there.
And we love our home.
What is up, everybody? I gotta try to get this off here before we ever I don't want to get, I don't know how long that was. Woo, man, it says 10 seconds. I might get copyrighted for that. I don't know. Anyway, we got this Toyota. We're getting there. So look at there. We're getting there. I still gotta adjust on this one a little bit. I gotta take this back off, and the piece that bolts to here, I gotta adjust on that a little bit, and then get these fenders where I want them. And then we'll have to bend these back where they go, where they need to go. So we'll get the bumper up there and do all that. But the brackets for the bumper were bent up, so I had to order some brackets for them. So they'll be here middle of the week or something. Y'all ain't gonna see this video till the truck's done, but so obviously, you know, today's Wednesday. This saying it's gonna be here like between Monday and Wednesday next week. So we'll get that bent back in. And yeah, but it's getting there. I got the new radiator put in. You can see, got the new radiator put in. So let's get this thing out of here. I got another car I got to pull in that we got to do some stuff on. The fender, the door, the fender, or something's messed up on it. We got to get everything where the door's shut. So it is what it is. We'll get this one out of here. I have put some antifreeze in it. We'll have to get some more, because he sent me the 50-50 mix, so I only have 1 gallon and it's mixed and it's 50-50, so I can't put water in with it. So as cold as it is, I don't want it to freeze. So I have to get some more antifreeze for this thing here. I'll order it tomorrow, because it's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm not gonna work on this thing tomorrow anyway. So I got a few days before I can work on this one again. So here's what it is. Yeah, anyway, let's get out here and get the other one in. Well, what's up, y'all? It's been a few days, been a little bit, but I mean, I know y'all don't know that because it's on video, but we're putting this truck back together. We got the grill in. We got the light on that side good. And then this side, we got to do a little bit of finessing on to get the light in right. But the problem we have is when we put this bumper on, I had a little bit of issue getting it on. See how it don't really go up to the fenders good? And I thought, well, it's just because it's bent, whatever, fenders are bent. Then this I thought was normal because this is a 94 truck, and 89 and 94 is all the same body style. So we thought it is the same body style, but this bumper, 89 to 94 two-wheel drive, is different than a 92 to 94 four-wheel drive. A 92 to 94 four-wheel drive actually has the lip that comes up right here and comes up right against this grill. The bumper on this side is like an inch and a half or 2 inches taller here, so it would go up another inch and a half here probably. And then also the bumper itself is like 4 inches wider on the 92 to 94 four-wheel drive. And in turn, this little section right here is about probably 2 to 4 inches wider. I know on the bumper that's bent, we measured the bumper that come off of this has been hit by a deer, obviously, and it was mashed in. So the bumper here, from here to here, on the one that had been bent, was 2 inches different, even with it being mashed in. So it's probably 4 inches. The way we found it was when we set the valence up, the black piece that goes on, which y'all will see that here shortly. When we put that piece on, Dad lined his side up over here, and over here, it was sticking out like 4 inches or some shit like that. So I'm gonna take this bumper off, and then I got the new one there. I'll lay it beside it, and then you can get a visual of how much of a difference it is, and we'll go from there. I know this video is a little long. I added some in it that I didn't think I was gonna, you know, just to have some more video, and then we ended up having this problem. We've had to wait a week on this bumper. I guess the snow and stuff slowed them down a little bit too, but let's get this bumper off, and then we'll lay it beside this new bumper, and y'all can see the difference, and then we'll get the new bumper put on. So stay with us. All right, I'm gonna try to show you these two bumpers and see if y'all can see why one is not like the other. Obviously I got one off, I got the one off, I got the other one out. So as you can see, the front up here is about the same. The back, if you take this bumper, you set it on top of it, look at the difference. So, and then even like height wise, you can see it. See the difference? And one of the difference on the height wise is this bumper is straight, and this bumper comes up right under the lights. So if you got a 92 to 94 four-wheel drive, it takes this bumper. All the other ones take that one. I don't know about the 89 to 91 four-wheel drives. I think they take that bumper. I think 92 to 94 is the only one that is different from what I can see. Make sure you get one 92 to 94 four-wheel drive if you have a 92 to 94 four-wheel drive truck. If not, bumpers, you can make it fit. I mean, I had it on there. You can make it fit, but it ain't right. Let's get the right bumper on, get this guy's truck to him. I know he's ready for it. All right, y'all, so we are done with the Toyota truck, pretty much. I don't know if y'all remember what it looked like before. Obviously, you probably did. It's just been longer for me because I'm had to order parts and stuff, but y'all have seen it within a matter of probably 10 minutes. Look, I'm gonna show you here. Where everything lines up pretty good. He is talking about replacing these fenders maybe, and maybe replacing the fenders and having it painted. These are just turn signals. I thought they were park lights, but they're not. They're just turn signals. What y'all think compared to what it was to where we at with this thing? So, but that's that, and yeah, on to the next project. Sorry it took a little bit. This video took a little bit longer to put out than what I was hoping for, really. So I don't even know if I'll put out a full video since the new year, but we're gonna try to stay on a little bit better. We do a lot of TikTok stuff too now, so if y'all don't follow me on there, go on there. And that's where I put a lot of my shorts. Even my shorts that I put on YouTube, a lot of them are from TikTok videos. But it is what it is. Appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.